Comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and
What's our actual number?
Can you guys validate?
be allowed into my all security intercept to see in the flesh my newest acquisitions, the Guardians of the Galaxy.
This is all your fault.
Oh, at least we get a really cool sign. Check that out. Oh, man, they got my name wrong. It's not Peter Quill. It's Star-Lord. Although they do call me the leader. Hey, I thought the tool sounded fun. And what then do they call me? Drax the Destroyer. That is correct. Got his name right.
That's what bothers you?
Sorry. Gamora, daughter of Thanos.
I am not the daughter of Thanos! Ow! Ow! Ow!
You're not supposed to tap the glass.
Don't even start!
Hey, would you two keep it down over there?
I
I know. They're so inconsiderate.
According to that, you're not Groot. You're a Flora Colossus.
I am Groot. Don't listen to him. You are.
You want to know what they call you, Rocket?
I know what they call me. Cybernetic genetic experiment. Who wants to bite my fist?
I thought you'd be more upset about the rodents part.
Ain't nothing in the universe like me except me.
And that is precisely why he is in my collection. He is also notorious for escaping from every prison that ever tried to hold him. Which is why I have wired each cage with unimaginable power, coming directly from my massive generator, which powers the entire complex and will keep them in perpetual suspension.
At least we're all well secure.
Wait, what?
Do not wish to fall to an abyss.
Do you even understand? We're prisoners.
It's your fault!
Rodent will figure a way
I
out.
told you to wait for the ship.
You call it that rocket.
Many total? On this, all the way forward, all the way back, all the way forward, all the way forward.
Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by. Present to you Tannelia Tavon's private office.
Towards that very back. All the way forward. Are we 3 or 2?
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that I have to let you this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. And I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
We'll go with that.
This is the moment you have been waiting for.
And Rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Okay, I got going over those cages.
thinking that? Very sad. They did nothing to go away. They did not help us at all. You should be thanking me. Thank Travis.
Please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the gantry doors.